Today we are making Turkish doner kebab recipe. Ingredients. For the meat: 1 pound lamb or beef thinly sliced, 1 onion finely chopped, half a teaspoon garlic paste, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. For the sauce: 1 cup yogurt, half a cup lemon juice, half a teaspoon garlic paste, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. For the assembly: pita bread, tomato, onion, lettuce, pickled peppers optional, sumac or paprika for garnish. Instructions. In a large bowl, combine meat, onion, garlic, paprika, cumin, salt, black pepper, and mix well. Cover and refrigerate for overnight. Preheat a vertical grill to medium-high heat. Cook the meat for 5 to 7 minutes per side or until cooked through. Meanwhile, prepare the sauce by mixing yogurt, lemon juice, garlic, and olive oil. 7. Warm pita bread by wrapping. Assemble the kebab by slicing the cooked meat thinly and serving it in pita bread. With sauce: lettuce, tomato, onion, and pickled peppers. Garnish with sumac or paprika. Traditional Turkish doner kebab cooking method. Stack the meat slices on top of each other. Place the stack on a vertical broiler or spit. Cook the meat as it rotates, slicing it thinly with a long knife. 4. Serve the sliced meat in pita bread with sauce and toppings. Variations. Chicken doner kebab: replace lamb or beef with chicken breast. Vegetarian doner kebab: replace zucchini or portobello mushrooms. Spicy doner kebab: add more cayenne pepper or red pepper flakes. Tips. Use a meat slicer for thinly sliced meat. Adjust spice levels to taste. Regional variations. Istanbul style: serve with garlic yogurt sauce and pickled peppers. Adana style: add more cayenne pepper and serve with chili flakes. Bursa style: serve with tomato sauce and grilled vegetables. Enjoy your delicious Turkish doner kebab.